Right now, somewhere in your house, a light is probably on. It feels normal, harmless, even. But that light might be doing something to your body that almost nobody knows about. Tonight, when the sun goes down, you'll flip a switch without even thinking. Your body, though, is hoping for something completely different: darkness. Here's the strange truth. Every cell in your body is running on a clock. Not a clock you set. A clock built into your biology over millions of years. Scientists call it the circadian clock, from a Latin phrase meaning around a day. Plants have one. Bacteria have one. Even 3 billion-year-old organisms ran on a 24-hour cycle. You're not just a person with a sleep schedule. You're the newest version of a timekeeping system older than complex life itself. In 2017, 3 scientists, Jeffrey Hall, Michael Rosbash, and Michael Young, won the Nobel Prize for figuring out how this clock works. Inside almost every cell in your body, certain genes turn on and off in a 24-hour rhythm. The trigger for this rhythm is light. When light hits your eyes, a tiny part of your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus reads it and tells the rest of your body what time it is. Your heart, liver, immune system, and metabolism all adjust based on that one signal. But here's the part most people miss. The signal your body cares about most isn't light. It's darkness. When it gets dark, your brain releases a hormone called melatonin. This isn't just the sleep chemical. It's a message to your entire body that says, the day is over, repair time has started. Once that message goes out, your immune system shifts into a stronger repair mode. Your brain starts clearing out waste through something scientists only discovered in 2013, called the glymphatic system. Your body releases growth hormone. Your cells fix damaged DNA. Your heart gets to slow down. None of this happens properly without real darkness. So what happens when darkness never comes? In 1962, a French scientist named Michel Siffer lived alone in a cave for 2 months with no clocks and no sunlight. He slept and ate whenever he felt like it. When he came out, he thought only 34 days had passed. It had actually been 61. His internal clock had completely lost track of time. Worse, his mood collapsed. He became depressed and felt like he was losing his sense of self. His body had lost the one signal that kept everything organized. You might think this only applies to people in caves. It doesn't. It's happening to you, right now, through your phone. Screens give off blue light, which is the exact wavelength your brain's clock pays the most attention to. When you scroll on your phone at 10 p.m., your brain thinks it's looking at the noon sun. Melatonin stops being released. Your body waits for a lights-out signal that never comes. Then you wonder why you can't fall asleep, and you grab your phone again, which is like trying to cool a room down by turning on a heater. Researchers at Harvard, led by Dr. Charles Czeisler, have a name for this: social jet lag. It means your internal clock is out of sync with the actual time of day, even though you never left your time zone. Over time, this is linked to weight gain, diabetes, weaker immunity, memory problems, anxiety, and depression. Your body is constantly trying to function on the wrong schedule. The fix is almost annoyingly simple. Tonight, about 2 hours before bed, turn off your screens. Dim the lights around you. You don't need total darkness, just noticeably less light than usual. Within 30 or 40 minutes, you'll likely feel it: a heaviness in your eyes, your body cooling down, a real sense of being ready for sleep. No supplement works quite like this, because nothing else tells every cell in your body, all at once, that the day is finally over. For nearly all of human history, people lived with real darkness every single night. Now we live in a world of permanent daylight, where the body never gets the message it's been waiting billions of years to receive. So tonight, when the sun goes down, turn off a light. Let your body finally hear what it's been waiting to hear. The day is done, and it's time to rest.